Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Fort Knox Garage, and I'm going to show you how to change out your cabin air filter on this Toyota Tacoma. I have the replacement filter right here, and I'll put links for these in the video description, the exact ones that you need for this vehicle. The process is pretty much the same for a lot of these cars, but this will be for the Tacoma specifically. We're going to start right here at the glove box. Go ahead and open that up, and you'll see a panel in there, and it says to lift up to remove that panel. We're going to pop it up, then you lift it out. And you'll see right there we have this door. It has little tabs on either end. We're going to push in like that, and it should come right out. And just in case you're wondering, the airflow goes down, so pay attention to how the arrows are on your new filter. But we'll pull this out, and you can see we got dirt, some bugs and rocks in there. But you'll see on this one that we're taking out, it says this side up, and then you insert it in this direction. So you will be inserting it in sideways like this, but it says this side up. That way the air goes down, because a lot of these fans that are inside here actually pull the air down. So pay attention to how the filter is supposed to be placed in. Then we can simply just place this one in there. And you can see in from this angle, you can see that fan right there. It actually pulls the air down. So we have the replacement filter here. This is one of those fancy carbon ones. Again, these are very affordable. It says to change them out every 15 to 20,000 miles. I like to change them out every time I do an oil change. But you can see on the side, it'll tell you airflow down, and then we're going to insert it with this writing sideways. So we're going to put it in just like that. Then we just reverse this process. Make sure that these tabs click all the way in. So we get a good seal around here. Then we can place the door back on. Remember, it starts up high, then it should click down just like that. You'll see an even reveal. And then just like that, we're all done. If you like the video, hit like, hit subscribe. I'm gonna have a lot of videos on here on how to do vehicle maintenance, upgrades. I got some different suspension compartments we're gonna be putting on, brakes, oil, even this LED Raptor grill, whatever it is. I'm gonna be doing a lot of vehicle stuff on this channel. So hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.